Hi, I'm Mona, the founder of Bear Connect, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can start your first LinkedIn outreach campaign using Bear Connect. So the very first step is you need to go to bearconnect.io, click on Start Free Trial, sign up with either your Gmail ID or fill up the form. Once you do that, you will be on this screen. All right. Then we need to connect your LinkedIn account. For that, you need to click on Add Account, enter your LinkedIn email ID, your LinkedIn password, select the country, and hit on Connect. Then you will see your LinkedIn account connected just like this. Now, the beauty of Bear Connect is that we let you connect as many LinkedIn accounts. So, if you have more than one LinkedIn account connected, you'll have a view just like this. All right. Now, let's start your first campaign. I'm going to first select the LinkedIn account you want to start the campaign from. So, in this case, I'm going to select Paul's account. Then name your campaign. Now there are three ways of how you can upload your lead list. First is a CSV file where we need the first name, last name, and a profile URL of the person. Second is a LinkedIn search URL. I'm going to show you right now. Third is a Navigator account. Now Paul doesn't have Navigator, that's why it's grayed out for him. But if you have Navigator, it won't be grayed out for you. Now click on LinkedIn search URL, go to LinkedIn. Let's see that I want to get in touch with founders in New York. I put in that in search area, click on people, and this link, I want to copy it and put this here. Now, LinkedIn lets you retrieve 1,000 profiles at a time. If this was a navigator link, it will let you retrieve 2,400 profiles. All right. You can either do all to run a campaign or you can do 10. So in this case, I'm going to just get in touch with 10 leads. So the next step is that we have two templates. Okay, the standard workflow lets you send connection requests and messages, and already connected flow lets you get in touch with your existing network. So let's say if you have a webinar or an event coming up, then you can select this and this will send only messages to your existing network. Okay, but in this case I want to send connection request as well. Then is the time zone. So this, I'm running a campaign in New York, so I'm going to select New York time zone. Now, as I said, we let you send 25 connection requests and 25 messages every day, but you can spread across your connection limit and messages across multiple campaigns. We give that control to you. All right. So in this case, I'm going to just do one campaign with 25 each. But let's say if I have another campaign in mind, let's say if I want to run a campaign for Europe, then I might do 10 here and then 15 for the Europe campaign. All right. And then you can select the number of days you want to run the campaign. So in this case, I'm going to do campaign from 9 to 6. You can absolutely change this. You can select Saturday, Sunday as well if you want. And this is the very last step. Here we need to write the messages. Okay, this is where automation is happening. So it sends the connection request first. Okay, you can definitely write messages. It tracks for 20 days whether someone has accepted your request or not, and if in 20 days the person does not accept, then we also have a withdraw invite option. Okay, it automatically withdraws your invite, which is great because LinkedIn penalizes you in the long run if you have more pending invite sitting. If someone accepts, then it's going to wait for a day, and this is totally editable. You can say 1 hour, for example, and then you can write your first message. You can write a second message. You can write a third message, and then you can say launch campaign. Okay, let's just launch the campaign. And when someone replies to your campaign, you will be able to monitor all the DMs right here. So this is Paul's first campaign. That's why you see his inbox is blank because we don't have your personal DMs in our inbox, okay, because of privacy reasons. Okay, so this is how you monitor all your messages. This is the dashboard where you can see how many, you can basically monitor your stats. You can see how many people accepted or replied or what's your stat. Okay. Now, let me also take you through a post feature. Let's say if I know what I have to write, I can just simply write here, or I can take help from AI. I can schedule it for later or I could post right away. All right, this is your LinkedIn post feature. Plus, we have integrations with the HubSpot. This is the knowledge base section where there are tons of video tutorials. Also, if you feel stuck ever, you can just simply write to us here in our chatbot, and we tend to reply within an hour. All right, and this is the email ID as well. So I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, please feel free to add me on LinkedIn or you can comment in the comment section. Thank you. Bye bye.